I'm looking for this paper that Mom wants me to look for. Sis, I just tore the couch, and there's Canelo, not helping at all. Gone through some books, found my Kenny jar. Penny. And I gotta go in here, see if I can find anything, sis. Oh, fudge. Okay. And what do we find? Paper. And oh, fudge. Come on. Ow! Fudge and help. A book. Hey, which one is it? The Tale of Genji by Murasaki Shikibu. Perfect. Oh, look. Oh, treasure, treasure, treasure. Oh. What is that? What is this? I gotta see it in better light. Ow! Okay. Oh, fudge. I'm gonna die, sis. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Okay. Alright. Okay. I'm out. Oh, fudge. Okay, that wasn't hard. Oh, fudge. Okay, what am I got? It's my pirate ring, sis. I lost it some time ago. Does it still fit? Whew. Can I put it on? It still fits. Yes. Focus. Focus! Oh, fudge. It's a gorgeous pirate ring. Just take my word for it, sis. Canelo, look. I got my pirate ring back. You don't care. You just want me to rub your neck. Relax. Chillax. And what am I doing? Oh. So I'm trying to clean while watching Joey Graceffa. Fudge. Joey Graceffa. Joey Graceffa. Alright. Who's this really adorable guy on YouTube? Whoa. Anyway. Well, he's not helping me either. So I think I'm going to turn him off and look for the thing that my mom wants in earnest. Okay. Canelo? It's a little late to be helping me now. Look at you. You're all dusty. Well, there's got to be a better way to find this stuff. So you can see my Never for Christmas collection. This is just the tip of the frickin' iceberg. You know there's more. You know there's more, sis. And my amazing book of Guillermo del Toro. I want his house. You should totally get the book, sis. Okay. Okay. I'm going to go continue looking for the thing. And, man, I'm tired. But I'm going to not give up. Okay, sis. I'll talk to you later. Bye.